Want to help your new HVAC employee actually stick around and grow in your company without feeling totally lost or stressed out? So, first off, setting time-based goals can be a real game changer if you handle it right. Start by giving your newbie small, familiar tasks that won't freak them out but still push them a bit. Like, instead of saying, fix this whole system in 1 week, try, get these parts swapped out by Friday. It keeps things chill but still productive. Be flexible with the clock too. If they need a little extra time, no biggie, just watch how they improve over weeks. Use these goals not as a strict deadline but more like a progress check to see what's clicking and what's not. Make sure you're always available for questions because feeling stuck kills motivation fast. Celebrate little wins to keep their confidence up, you know? And don't forget to give honest feedback that's helpful, not harsh. One of the biggest mistakes with new HVAC hires is rushing them with unrealistic time-based goals that make them feel like they're drowning. Fix that by breaking projects into bite-sized steps with clear but chill deadlines. Another issue is not checking in often enough, so they feel ignored or unsure. Regular catch-ups can fix that easily. Last, some managers forget to adjust goals based on how the employee is really doing, which just causes frustration. The fix? Stay flexible and adapt goals to the person's pace and skill level so they don't burn out or lose confidence. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want trusted local contractors without the headache of endless searching. Plus, it helps contractors find steady work by connecting them directly with people needing their skills, making life easier all around.